am Parul and you're watching this video by justtutors.com. In this video we'll be learning about properties of triangles. So before we begin with properties, here's a question for you. You can pause this video to try this question. So in this question we are given that AB, line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD and O is the midpoint of AD. We have to show that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. Now let's see how we can do that. We know that O is midpoint of AD. So that means AO equals to DO. We can see that angle COD, that is this angle, equals to angle AOB because they form vertically opposite angles. And as AB is parallel to CD, so we have angle D equals to angle A because they are alternate angles. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC by ASA rule. If your answer is correct, pat your back, well done. Now let's proceed with first property of triangle. So it says that angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. So in this case we have AB equals to AC, and what we have to prove is that angle B equals to angle C. Now how can we do that? Let's bring SAS congruence rule in use here. So our first step will be a small construction which will be an angle bisector for angle A that makes this angle, that is, let's name it this line as AD. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD because AD is angle bisector. Now we'll make triangle BAD congruent to triangle CAD. So we have AB equals to AC. We have, let's name it as 1 and 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 and AD equals to AD because that's common. So now by SAS rule we can say that triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by SAS. So as these two triangles are congruent now, so by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can prove that angle B equals to angle C. Sorry, that's angle there. Hence we have proved that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now let's see what is the next property. The next property is that sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So let's prove this as well. Here we are given that angle B equals to angle C and we have to prove that AB equals to AC. So let's bring ASA congruence rule in use here. First we'll be beginning with a small construction which will be a perpendicular bisector from point A on BC at point D. So as this is a perpendicular bisector, so BD equals to CD and this angle equals to 90 degrees. So in triangle BAD and triangle CAD, we know that angle B equals to angle C, that's given to us. BD equals to CD by construction, and angle 1 equals to angle 2. They both are 90 degrees. So that means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by ASA rule. As we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we have AB equals to AC. Hence, we have proved that sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So based on these properties, here are some questions for you. You can pause this video to try these questions. And once you're done, please make sure you check your answers from here. Pat your back if both your answers are correct. Well done. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.